Welcome back to Dadventures in Reading. Today we're going to read The Dinosaur with the Noisy Snore. Let's check it out. Come and meet the dinosaurs who live in Dino Valley. Look, here's Sid. And Rory too. Plus Molly, Spike, and Sally. This story starts at bedtime. I'm tired out, Sid sighs. He snuggles down beneath the sheets and shuts his sleepy eyes. Soon Sid's dreaming sweetly, but just then, from next door, there comes a rumbling, grumbling sound. A loud, ear-splitting snore. What a dreadful noise, says Sid. I can't sleep with that snore. He storms around to Rory's house and knocks hard on his door. Rory staggers to the door. Please quieten down, Sid begs. Yeah, whatever. Rory yawns. Sid shuffles back to bed. Sid gets home and tries to sleep, but then, just like before, there comes a rumbling, grumbling sound. A shaking, quaking snore. Oh no, not again, Sid moans. He marches off next door. The noise has woken Sid's three friends. We can't stand Rory's snore. Knocking doesn't work at all. The friends are forced to shout. Please stop snoring, they all yell. Soon Rory's head pokes out. Rory mutters, What's up now? You've woken up the valley. Buy some earplugs, Rory booms. That's just not fair, says Sally. Think of others, Molly begs. You're being mean, adds Spike. Rory feels bad when they have gone. Perhaps his friends are right? He trudges off into the night in search of an idea. Look, there's a hut far from his friends. They won't hear me out here. He lumbers in and falls asleep. The long, dark night ticks by. 3 greedy raptors wander past. Let's steal the food, they cry. They climb inside to take the food. There's lots to steal for sure. Then comes a rumbling, grumbling sound. A huge, earth-trembling snore. What was that? One raptor croaks. Perhaps a monster's near. It sounds ginormous, wails his friend. Let's all get out of here. The 3 run screaming past Sid's house. There's panic in their eyes. Sid wakes up and looks outside. What's going on? He cries. We'll leave the food that's in your hut. Your monster's fierce, they shout. What's that? What monster? Wonders Sid. He goes to check it out. He takes the path down to the hut and opens up the door. There comes a rumbling, grumbling sound. A loud, familiar snore. When the new day comes around, Sid gives his friend a shake. Oh no, says Rory. Not again. Did I keep you awake? No, you saved our food, says Sid. He tells his friend the story. Now a new sign's on the hut. What monster? Wonders Rory. You're the monster, Sid replies. Please sleep here every night. Your snore will scare off any thieves. They're sure to get a fright. And look, we've bought a bed for you. That night, just like before, Rory falls asleep, and then he gives a massive snore.